look at fire, what do you see? I see
the burning void of hell.
Show called Explain That.
that was a lackluster of a kick. Let me zoom in on that and get a micro shot.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna go full ultra.
Oh yeah, and then it flings up and gets you. Overdoing it.
Oh, did not work.
Wood's like, yeah, I got soaked by water, so I'm stronger than you thought I was. And there it goes. The wood was like half health and then your Mortal Kombat.
There's another trick.
Shoot.
Wood snapping tricks. Wood snapping tricks.
Just for no absolute fucking reason. You're like, ugh.
Hey, Jacob. You recording? You want to buy some wood? Got 2 sticks. You can get 3 for 40.
3 for 40. That's basically the equivalent to what the fucking
Average price. Bundle wood $5. 2 sticks 40.
white rabbits.
For what? For what?
He's like, I'll take it. Oh, dude. He just sniffed my hand. Principal Moss. This is what. You're like, oh, they're so far ahead of me. They're so far ahead. This is the kind of stuff you gotta deal with. I actually walk 15 miles a day, every single day. This is great. New soil. Sunshine.
Large tree falls. It creates an opening in the canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor. These canopies gaps provide light, give young trees an energy boost, and that help them grow.
That tree died.
It's tree
That
dive.
tree died.
Ooh. Yeah, no, it's gonna fall and then it's
That was
gonna
a
like
monarch.
collapse on a group of children.
Travis, that's a monarch white pine. That's an old tree they're talking about in here.
Kicks it down. He does like a fucking kung fu move and karate kicks it. You're right. Dope trail. Nature. All right, yeah, we about to go on these kayaks, these motherfucking kayaks. One more last time. One motherfucking say this like I got. This kind of like Mike. Look at the scenery. B-roll.
Hey, let me narrate this video real quick.
Narrate it.
Hey, come here. Come here. Flip the fucking camera over, dumb.
No, narrate with the fucking scenery.
So right now we're on a journey to go find Trav's missing beer. We'll see how long it takes before we are able to get back on the kayak.
So yeah, we're gonna search.
Going on this epic search.
Epic. Fucking legit. Legit the shit. Alright, let's go find him.
Boy.
It looks something like this.
You see the moss on the filigree. You look like a piece of shit. And your mom's, I'm sorry about that, but offense is none taken because I'm talking to none other than the devil. And the devil don't have no mom, so he ain't offended. But neither is I.
What we cooking?
What we cooking is chicken. Chicken! Look at the chicken, it's so spicy. What do you say about chicken?
Oh, what about chicken? It's flavor licking. Your fingers never tasted so good. They'd be like, how do you pop the flavor out the hood? I'd be like, it's a Skittle. For Rizzo, you're gonna brittle. I'm on a griddle. I'm cooking hotter than a motherfucker on a mission. On the missile, about to blow up this whole place, and you think you're good. Not true. Blowing the whistle like a not a chicken, I'm not chicken. I'm only flipping the motherfucking chicken, yeah.